Hi, how you doing? Welcome to the kitchen. Lamb Vindaloo, one of the staples of Indian restaurants, was really originated by the Portuguese immigrants who made it with pork rather than chicken or lamb. Its preparation with chiles, in this case dried chile guajillos, makes it a red sauce and not so spicy, but you can make it as spicy as you want. This is how I do it. We're gonna need half teaspoon of mustard seeds, sugar, 6 cloves of garlic, 3 cardamom pods, 6 cloves, half teaspoon black pepper, 1.5 teaspoons of ginger, half teaspoon of cumin, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 4 Guajillo peppers, 6 lamb chops, half medium onion chopped, half cup of Feni or wine, and a 1/3 cup of vinegar. Start by seeding your peppers and place them in a container where we're gonna soak them. Add your wine and your vinegar and all the rest of your spices and soak. Try to leave the husk of the cardamom out. And while everything soaks, it's a good time to salt your meat on both sides. When the peppers are soft, we're going to blend everything real well. And then we're gonna marinate our meat with it. After marinating for at least a couple of hours, if not overnight, we're going to start to fry the chops. Add enough water to cover the meat and the diced onion. Now cover it and simmer in a very low fire for about a couple of hours. Your sauce will then turn a bright red. It's ready to serve. What can I say? Delicious. Served here with plain rice, some mango chutney, and a sprinkle of chopped cilantro. I really hope you enjoyed making this lamb vindaloo. And bon appetit! Until we see you next time, ciao!